Our humba is ready to serve. This food is known especially in Visayas region in the Philippines. Going to make humba. Humba. Pork belly and pork legs. Let's go ahead and wash our meat first before we boil it. In the water, we can add our fresh ginger. We can slice it very thin and add it to the water. We're gonna put a black pepper. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. And when it's ready, we have to put our meat in when the water is boiling. To blanch this meat, it takes only like about 5 minutes. You don't have to leave it there for long because we still gonna cook it in the pressure cooker. This is done. We can take it out and transfer it to our pressure cooker with all the seasoning that we need to put it for our humba. I will cut this big piece into 4 pieces and I use leek to put in the bottom of our pressure cooker so the meat it won't get burned. We can use as well the dry banana flour to use to put the humba if it is available. We're gonna put the bay leaves and we're gonna put our pickling spice, just about teaspoon of it, and we have soy sauce. We're gonna put our vinegar and we have brown sugar, and of course we have oyster sauce. And go ahead and put some water. Water should be level to the meat, just about this much. That should be perfect. Because of a little bit water that we put, we're gonna add salt to it and enough lemon. I love lemon in my cooking. Lemon is always present. And we can cook it for 45 minutes until the broth is halfway gone. We have to uncover it. Look, the broth is halfway gone, as you can see, but we can still continue cooking it without putting the lid tight. Continue cooking until the broth is almost gone. When the broth is getting thick, this texture, this is done. We can turn off the heat and take it out from the pot. Our humba is ready to serve. I hope you enjoy my videos. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Again, this is Yoli. Thank you for watching. Bye.